The Hubble Space Telescope has captured new images of Jupiter, showing details in the gas giant's stormy atmosphere and volcanic moon Io. The gas giant Jupiter steals the show in these two new portraits of the planet's opposing faces, showing the swirling storms and tumultuous cloud bands blown by winds raging at hundreds of miles per hour. The Hubble Space Telescope took these images on January 5 and 6, 2024. Jupiter rotates once every 10 hours. Hubble was able to image one hemisphere with the famous Great Red Spot visible, and wait for the other hemisphere to come into view before imaging that. The Great Red Spot isn't the only red spot on Jupiter, however. In the late 1990s, 3 white ovals, smaller storms that had been observed throughout the 20th century, merged to form a new storm called Oval BA. Then, in 2006, Oval BA turned red, prompting the nickname Red Spot Jr. It too has shrunk somewhat over the years, and can be seen below and to the right of the Great Red Spot in Hubble's image. Jupiter's colorful clouds present an ever-changing kaleidoscope of shapes and colors. This is a planet where there is always stormy weather, cyclones, anticyclones, wind shear, and the largest storm in the solar system, the Great Red Spot. Jupiter has no solid surface and is perpetually covered with largely ammonia ice crystal clouds that are only about 48 kilometers thick in an atmosphere. That's tens of thousands of km deep and give the planet its banded appearance. The bands are produced by air flowing in different directions at various latitudes with speeds approaching 563 kilometers per hour. Lighter-hued areas where the atmosphere rises are called zones. Darker regions where air falls are called belts. When these opposing flows interact, storms and turbulence appear. Hubble's portraits of Jupiter, and the other gas giants, have become an annual event as part of the Outer Planet Atmosphere's Legacy program. With the help of both Hubble and an army of amateur astronomers all around the world, Opal is able to keep tabs on the giant planets and monitor activity in their atmosphere.